enjoying?
Cool new.
That's about Why you guys look so nervous?
Cause it's scary, it's like 19 stories high. Nothing to worry about. Just jumping here.
Guys, got any last words?
Well, if the ropes do fail, then at least we know our places are secure in heaven. That's cool.
Guys,
I know where I'm going.
enjoy your jump.
You know where you're going.
Enjoy your jump.
Fine.